Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, I'll be showing you how to troubleshoot users' WordPress website issues. Now, this is one of the most common issues that you come across. How do you resolve this? So this error is clear. Error establishing a database connection. So the issue is very simple. It has to do with database. Make sure you log into their cPanel and then make sure their database details. So go to File Manager and go to public_HTML. Go to their config file, which is this one, and that file contains their database information. So the database details are wrong. Okay. It's either they accidentally changed their database credentials and forgot to change it inside their config file. So I decided to remove remove 0 here because this is my correct database name, but I removed that to mimic that error for you. So they accidentally changed their database user password. So I'll type db and then manage my databases. So make sure you check to see if the right database details have been entered here. So here the right database name is this, so you pick that and make sure it's here. Database username, so make sure you copy the right database username and then you put it here. Now for the password, you not know, or you wouldn't know if they have changed their password or not. So the quickest fix is to just reset a new password and use that password instead. So just copy, and then it's possible that they change their password. So we'll put that password here for them and then save. So now we're using the right database credentials. Hello, before we go back to the tutorial, do you know this video you're watching right now is a part of my web hosting business setup masterclass? It is a program I set up to assist anyone looking to start, grow, and manage a web hosting business from home. In that masterclass, you learn how to set up your own hosting business, just like what you are seeing on your screen. Your users will click on Buy Hosting, pick one of your packages, and then place order. They are asked to enter their domain names. So they enter whatever domain they want to register, pick a TLD, weather.com, .net, .org, and then click on check. The system will check for this domain's availability, and if it's available, it will allow your users to proceed to buy this hosting and domain name. To learn more about the program, check the description of this video. That's enough. Let's go back to the tutorial. So now when we go and reload, it should come back live, just like this. Okay, I hope you've learned some valuable lessons in this video. I hope to see you in the next lesson.